Caution, what you're about to see could change your life forever, as well as with every single person you send this and share this with. What you're about to see is a group of videos that the frequency, the energy can change everything. And imagine if we were all playing this out loud at the same time. Now, watch to the end and make sure you comment. And let's change everything together. And by the way, if you watch this with a candle burning, watch the flame. Or if you have one of those solar light lanterns and you have it hanging outside, play this at night and watch the lantern start to swing back and forth. It's rumored it happens if you're listening to it fully at top volume. Let me know in the comments.
1900s, bells around the world were all collected and destroyed. Governments claimed it was due to the metal shortage during the world wars. However, it is believed that there is a much more sinister motive. Bells are powerful tools. They are not just signals that another hour has passed. These bells clear negative energy, raise vibrations, and connect us with higher realms. Fully aware of this, they were destroyed to suppress human awakening and maintain control over our collective consciousness.